Welcome to the Myelin app gallery feature, designed to help teachers effortlessly share memorable moments from school events and activities with parents. The purpose of this feature is to allow teachers to easily share photos of school events, activities, and functions with parents through the Myelin app. By uploading pictures to a dedicated gallery, parents can stay engaged with their children's school life and feel more connected to the activities happening at the school. Let's check how teachers can use the gallery option in the Myelin app to upload photos of school events. First, go to Menu option and select the Gallery menu. Now the process begins by creating a folder, which must be named using only English characters with spaces allowed. Once the folder is created, teachers can upload photos directly from their phone. Before finalizing the upload, they have the opportunity to review and select the desired images. This feature ensures that parents can access and view the photos easily within the app, providing a convenient and organized way to share school memories. Hope you understand the process, and thank you for watching the video.